Hello, my name's Wahib and I'm part of the Science and Support Group here at LI-COR. Today I'll be showing you general maintenance tips for the LI-8200-01 Smart Chamber. The first part that you'll need to be doing maintenance on is the foam gasket, which is right underneath at the bottom of this Smart Chamber. This foam gasket can become compressed or torn after multiple uses, so you'll need to check on it regularly, otherwise the Smart Chamber won't seal properly during measurements. So to replace the foam gasket, all you need is a flat blade screwdriver. You'll just first, of course, make sure that the Smart Chamber is off, and then turn the Smart Chamber to its side, and then you can use the screwdriver to remove the foam gasket. Then simply replace it with your new one. And you should be good to go. The second maintenance item is the air filter, which is found right here. The filter can become clogged, and so it will affect the pump, so you'll need to replace it if you notice that it's causing some issues. So in order to do that, what you'll need to do is use a sharp blade to cut close to the filter, and so that you don't lose too much of your tubing. Then you'll take the filter out and replace it with a new filter that can be found in your spare skid. This tubing is heat formed, so it can be quite difficult to remove the air filter. That's why you'll need to cut the tubing in order to replace it with a new one. We have additional resources on our LI-COR website, and as always, if you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us or our LI-COR distributors.